Hello everybody, this is Rishav Bhattacharjee and you're watching the Happy Coding channel. So guys, in today's video, we will be writing the code to draw the pattern currently on your screens. So let's get started. Okay, so let's get started. First of all, we will import the turtle. Then we will create a list of colors here. See, we could start with red a little bit, then maybe purple. Okay, then we can do a bit of green maybe, then blue, then we can do orange, and then last but not the least, yellow. Okay, after this what we will do is turtle.bg color and change it to black so that it looks good. Then what we would do is create a for loop in range of say 200. After that what we would do is change the turtle pen color as color I mod 6. So guys, let me explain what this will do actually. First of all, from the for loop will run and we will get first of all 0. So the colors list will first of all go to red, then purple, then green, then blue, then orange, then yellow. But this for loop is running 200 times, not 6 times, right? But we have only 6 colors. So what we are doing here is we are telling the Python code that first of all, when we are going to red, then purple, then green, then blue, then orange, then yellow, but after yellow we have to repeat the sequence. So what this does, this pen color colors I modulo 6 does is it will return the remainder. And for example guys, let's say this red color has index of 0 and this colors I modulo 6 would be 0 modulo 6, which is 0. So this will be red. Just like this, it will be purple, green, blue, orange, yellow. After that, after yellow, which is 5, this for loop will go to 6, right? And then what it will do is 6 modulo 6 would be 0. And that's why it will again go to red. Then the for loop will turn I to 7. Then the 7 modulo 6 would be 1. That is purple. So that's how this sequence will be repeated with this turtle.pen colors I modulo 6. And we don't have to use another for loop for running through all the colors list this way, right? So next what we would do is turtle dot forward I. After that we would turn turtle left at say 59 degrees. I think this is a loop which will run 200 times, so I think we should do another thing here, that is turtle dot speed, say 50. It will be much faster. And I think I would like to do another thing, which is turtle dot width. This is I. Let's see what it does. You have to save it, of course. Okay, this is not what we wanted. So let's get back and change a little bit. I think turtle.width, we don't have to change it. Run it again. Yep, that's what we wanted. So that's it, guys. This is the pattern we wanted currently in your Python Turtle graphics window. So guys, that's it in this video. Hope you liked it. Please subscribe your channel and wait for the upcoming videos. Until then, goodbye.